This pow is so soft and delicious. Miguel, I don't think I've ever tasted bread this good.
Same here. What's the secret?
The secret is tradition. Goa's baking heritage is centuries old, dating back to the Portuguese era. Have you read the chapter A Baker from Goa by Lucio Rodriguez? It captures the essence of our bakers perfectly.
Oh, yes. It's about how bakers were such an important part of Goan life, right?
I haven't read it yet. What's so special about bakers?
Every village had its own baker, and their role wasn't just about making bread, it was about bringing people together.
Remember how the author describes the baker as a vital part of every celebration? Be it weddings, festivals, or family gatherings, pow and sweet bread were a must.
Sounds like they were more than just bread makers.
Exactly. The bakers would wake up before dawn, and their bamboo sticks, called bannets, would announce their arrival as they went door to door, selling fresh bread.
And don't forget their iconic attire, the knee-length frock-like dress, known as kabai. That must have been a sight to see.
The chapter isn't just about bread. It's about how traditions and professions shape communities. The patter wasn't just a baker, they were a symbol of joy, culture, and connection.
The author's tone is nostalgic, isn't it? You can feel his fondness for the bygone days.
Yes, and the imagery is so vivid, you can almost hear the sound of the baker's bamboo stick and smell the freshly baked bread.
And the humor. Remember how he describes children licking the pow and pretending to be tiger cubs?
That was so relatable. It adds warmth and charm to the narrative.
This chapter has made me appreciate the hard work and artistry behind baking.
Me too. And it's a reminder of how traditions keep communities alive.
True. And remember, every slice of bread tells a story.
What about you? Do you know any local traditions or stories about food in your community? Share them in the comments below.
And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Eloquent Explorers for more such flavorful tales from literature.
See you in the next video.